Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is EdTech, how technology is transforming learning. The way we learn has undergone a profound transformation in recent years, thanks to the rapid advancements in technology. From online courses to interactive study tools, EdTech has reshaped the education system, making learning more accessible, personalized, and efficient. Let's explore how technology is revolutionizing the preparation process for competitive exams like UPSC and IAS. One of the most significant changes that EdTech has brought about is the rise of online learning platforms. Platforms offering online coaching for UPSC and IAS aspirants have become an essential part of students' study routines. These platforms provide flexibility, allowing students to access quality content from the comfort of their homes, eliminating geographical constraints. With just an internet connection, students can access lessons, webinars, and study materials anytime and from anywhere. This is a game-changer for many students who might not have access to coaching institutes in their localities. Additionally, these online platforms often provide a variety of content formats, video lectures, PDFs, quizzes, and practice tests, catering to different learning preferences. For instance, a student who learns better by listening might prefer audio lessons, while others may benefit from reading materials or interactive quizzes. This variety ensures that all types of learners can benefit from the resources available. Another key transformation is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in education. AI can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. For example, AI-powered platforms can analyze a student's progress, identify areas of weakness, and recommend tailored resources to help them improve. This means that UPSC and IAS aspirants can receive guidance that is specific to their individual needs, helping them focus on the areas that require the most attention. AI also helps in generating mock tests, evaluating answers, and offering instant feedback, thus accelerating the learning process. The availability of interactive tools and simulations is another exciting aspect of EdTech. For UPSC and IAS students, the use of digital maps, virtual field trips, and simulations helps in better understanding complex subjects like geography, environment, and polity. These tools make abstract concepts more tangible and easier to grasp. For example, you can use online tools to explore the political structure of India in 3D or simulate historical events to better understand their significance. This convenience allows students to study while commuting, during breaks, or at any time they find convenient. The availability of study resources on smartphones means that learning can be integrated seamlessly into daily routines without being confined to traditional study hours. Moreover, social media and online communities have become valuable resources for UPSC and IAS aspirants. Platforms like forums, WhatsApp groups, and Facebook pages enable students to connect with peers, mentors, and experts. These virtual communities allow for the sharing of study materials, tips, and advice. Students can interact with others who are going through similar challenges and gain insights from those who have already cracked the exam. This sense of community fosters collaboration and motivation, which is especially important during the rigorous preparation process. One of the more recent developments in EdTech is the integration of gamification into learning. Educational games, leaderboards, and rewards make learning more engaging and fun. Many UPSC and IAS aspirants use gamified learning platforms to enhance their retention of facts, improve their analytical skills, and even stay motivated during their preparation. Gamification introduces an element of competition and achievement, which can drive students to perform better and stay consistent in their efforts. Another area where technology is playing a crucial role is in the availability of data analytics. Platforms that track student performance and analyze their study habits can provide valuable insights. These insights can help students refine their strategies, optimize their time, and stay on top of their preparation. By understanding patterns in performance, students can focus on weak areas and improve their overall scores. The rise of digital classrooms and remote learning has been another major shift. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of online education, proving that virtual classrooms can be just as effective as traditional ones. Video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams facilitate real-time interaction between teachers and students. This flexibility allows learners to study at their own pace while maintaining direct communication with educators. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in modern education. AI-driven chatbots assist students by answering queries instantly, while AI tutors provide personalized guidance. AI-powered assessment tools help in evaluating students' performance efficiently, reducing the burden on educators and ensuring fair assessments. While EdTech has made significant contributions to enhancing learning, it is important to remember that technology is only a tool. The key to success lies in the effective use of these tools. As UPSC and IAS aspirants, it's essential to maintain discipline, stay consistent, and balance technology with traditional methods of study. EdTech can complement your learning process, but it cannot replace hard work, dedication, and a structured study plan. As we conclude, it's clear that EdTech has fundamentally altered the way we approach learning. From personalized learning paths to real-time feedback, and from mobile learning apps to online communities, technology has created new opportunities for UPSC and IAS aspirants to learn more efficiently. With the right balance, EdTech can be the catalyst that helps you reach your full potential and achieve success in your UPSC and IAS exams. Thank you for watching this video on AskPrep. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology and smart study strategies can help you ace your UPSC and IAS exams. Keep studying, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.